Hi, today I will be unboxing the Samsung G3. It is a 24-inch monitor with 144 Hz refresh rate, a 1 millisecond response time, and it's compatible with AMD FreeSync. It also has a borderless design and an eye saver mode. Now we're going to unbox the monitor. So, as you can see, it's in its styrofoam case. Lift off the top, and I assume this is the display. Take it out of its box. Or its packaging. So, as you can see, this is the display of the monitor. Now we should get to the stand. There's the stand. So the monitor comes with 2 legs to support the stand, an HDMI cable, the power cable, and a power block with instructions with screws included to help you assemble the stand. Now we are going to assemble the monitor stand. So you put this in and just have it click into place. And then you just put this one in to start. Now there, the stand is installed. Ports included with the monitor include an HDMI port, a display port, a DVA, a headphone jack, and then a DC with 14 volts. This power brick plugs into this, and then this thing, which connects to your power source, plugs into this brick, which then transmits the power to this, which powers your monitor. So now we will discuss how the stand works of the monitor. First, we'll peel this plastic thingy, and then I'll lift it up, place it. So then the stand, it can tilt like that. It can go up and down, and then it can also go down and up to fit your eye level. Also, it comes with this little built-in thing which can hang your headphones when you're not currently using them. Guys, I think that should be it for the unboxing of the Samsung Odyssey G3 monitor. It's been a pleasure, and bye now.